The curved fillet function will connect two lines with an arc which will be tangent to both segments. This function works in a similar way as the normal fillet, but with the curved fillet, the point where you click to select the first segment will indicate the starting point of the tangential arc. In this example, you can see that if I click near the end point of this segment, and then somewhere in this segment, the arc will start where I clicked in my first selection. Now, if I click on this point of the segment, and then in other spot of this one, the arc will start where I clicked first. This is also applied for perpendicular segments. Take a look at the size of the arc depending on where I click the first time during the segment selection. The curved fillet tool can trim the segments if those lines are already connected. This way we can automatically fix the join between them.